welcome back to my channel. I am back. It's been a long time, but I am back. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I am in a new home. I did sell the condo back in March and moved in here March 16th. So I'm in a new home and I wanted to share, there's some things I wanted to be able to share with you. So, sorry, I'm all over the place already and I'm looking 15 million different places. Not used to being in front of the camera. So it's been a while. It's been quite a while. So I am going to rebrand my channel and do some different things. I want to do some clean with me videos. I'm going to be doing grocery hauls and cooking for one person and showing like what my process is. So those people that only have yourself, these videos hopefully would help you out. I do have some recipes that I want to share with you. I am going to do a home tour. That's going to be coming probably in the next few weeks. So I am working on some different content and I will be uploading probably Mondays and Wednesdays or Tuesdays, Thursdays. I'm not 100% sure yet what my schedule is going to be, but when this video, whatever day you're watching this video on, if it's a Monday, you know that Wednesday then I'll be uploading. If I put this out on Tuesday, then it would be Tuesday, Thursday. So at this exact moment, I'm not 100% sure. It just depends. I have about 3 videos in the works, so it is what it is. So but I wanted to come on and just let you know that I am back. A lot has happened, and I'm sure we'll get into all that. So if you have questions for me, I can do a Q&A. Put your questions down below. If there's videos that you want to see, put that down below as well. So I'm just happy to be back, and I think this is going to be a nice little outlet. I'm not working, so it gives me, honestly, it's going to give me something to do. I'm used to working and being productive, and other than being at home and unpacking and that sort of thing, I haven't really been working. So this gives me work to do. The video part is the easy part. The hard part is all the editing and all the stuff that you do on the back end. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to get used to filming again and to teach myself how to edit and do the thumbnails and all the other stuff that goes into it. It's not just filming yourself and throwing that up. There's so much more that goes into it. I'm not sure that everybody understands that, but anyway, it is what it is. So, but those are some of the things that I'm going to be working on for you guys. And like I said, if you think of video ideas or anything like that that you would like to see, just let me know. Leave a comment down below and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and this is content that you think you might be interested in, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified when new videos pop up. Alright, well, I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.